CNBS.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel, then welcome. I am so excited today because I did a smoky eye, and I have not done a smoky eye in so long, and today I'm going to teach you some of my tricks and my tips that I've learned or that I've just taught myself on how to get the perfect smoky eye if you have hooded lids like me. I know it gets really challenging, and sometimes it can get a little intimidating if you have small lid space, as they say, and you don't know how to really do bold and bright looks because you're not, comfortable with using those colors on your eyelids. Well, today I'm gonna help you step outside that box because you can do it, girl. Yes, you can. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the dome lid eyeshadow kind of tip and tricks. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to do your eyeshadow and you have hooded lids, girl, it's time to learn. Thank you so much for coming to watch, and also do not forget to subscribe and like this video if it helps you in any way, and we're going to go ahead and jump into this tutorial. First, we're starting off with priming the lids with a foundation. Yes, this is much better than a concealer because it's really lightweight. I'm using my Ready Set Gorgeous foundation by CoverGirl. And for my first transition color, I'm going in with the color Leilani, and I'm using a Beauty Creations powder brush, and I'm just going to pat this in so that I can blend it out and have a really blown out smoke. After that one, I'm going to go in with the color Sienna, and I'm going to start packing this on with my dual end of the ABH blending brush, and I'm going to literally go just a smidge above my original crease in my eye, make a dome shape. Don't go past the outer corner of your eye, and then you're going to blend it out with the same brush. Blending is key. Now it's time for some drama and some smoky, honey, some smoky. I'm applying the color Zariah, and I'm packing it on my eyelid right onto the crease of my eye. I'm not taking it further than my original crease, and it's not going past the outer corner of my eye. I'm going in with my Morphe B81 brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges until it is seamlessly blended. This may take a little while, but blending is worth it. After blending into my heart is content, I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm doing a simple cat eye. Love this liner, super matte, and it dries really fast. Now I have to clean under my eyes from that fallout, girl. Do not forget this step. And I'm going to start color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is going to cancel out any darkness under the eye from long nights and nights you don't remember, And now I'm going to brighten under my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. For foundation, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in the color Deep Sand, and I'm applying and blending this out with my Paris Hilton flat kabuki brush. I'm setting my under eye with my Airspun powder, and I'm using just a regular old powder puff. I'm going to set the rest of my face with some of the Airspun powder, and today I'm going to show you one of my new tips I've been doing with my brows. I literally get my brow pomade, I put it onto my spoolie brush, and I just brush the products right through it. This gives me a very natural finish and quick brow in like 10-15 seconds, you guys. I clean it up with some concealer and I'm good to go. Yes, look at the definition and difference in that brow. Now I'm just bronzing my skin with my MAC Skin Finish bronzer. And I'm going to contour with my ABH contour powder in the color Havana. To darken up that contour a little bit more, I'm going to go in with my Santee Galaxy powder. For nose contour, I'm using the ABH contour powder in the color Havana, and I'm going to apply it with this brush and blend it out with my foundation brush to get rid of any harsh lines or any darkness around the nose. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to tight line my eye with the second transition color we used in the color Sienna, and I'm using an e.l.f. smudge brush. And now I'm applying London right in my tear duct. For lips, I'm applying my lip gloss by Sephora, and I'm going to top it off with a mixture of nude lipsticks that I put together and got this really baby doll pink color. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming to watch. You guys are so awesome. Please do not forget to subscribe. I have some awesome news coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. And I will see you guys in my next video.